I don't have a bigger pot. Man, I'm looking like this one, but they're all the same size. Yeah, I don't have a bigger pot. And I burned here. Look at her, what I did, really. She don't use it to live outside, and I sunburn. But she's still growing though. I'm not worried about that because you know how they are, they're growing. But I want to repot this, but I don't have no bigger pots. Here's my another alocasia collection. So, alright. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have maybe 7 alocasia. And the rest is still at the back patio. I have to repotting them before I bring them inside to my house. And still like we're like 70 something, 76, almost 80 degrees today. It's hot in Atlanta. See how, damn, she used to be so green, and I forget her. She was at the front patio, and it was burning hot. Oh, my baby, she will recover. And look at that. Just using this, the old container. This is recycle. I don't waste any container. I'm using it, and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna disturb her, so I'm just put it like that.